Hi guys, welcome to DreamWorks Design Creatives, where we give 100% youth empowerment programs. Today we are going for the next lesson, which is a continuation from where we started. We started with introduction to Shortcut video editing software, and today we are going to extend or proceed from where we started. We're going to talk about how to install Shortcut video editor using Microsoft Windows. So I just want to show you how you can install the software into your computer so that you can easily have a good time of using it. So if you want to download Shortcut into your computer, what you do, you can just get to any browser like Google Chrome or like Safari Explorer or Firefox. You can use any to download the program, but for me I will download it using Chrome. So here what you're going to do, you're going to open a new tab and then type in Shortcut. Just type Shortcut and then just type shortcut and then just click on enter. You will see the first link that will appear will be Shortcut Home, and then when you look on top of that, there's this link that will take you to the site itself. So you click on that. Don't go to any other site that will show you that they can help you download or they can help you download Shortcut. No, go to this first link here. So open Shortcut there. When you open Shortcut on that site, when you get into that site, you'll see news, you'll see download, you'll see tutorials, features and all that. So what you can do, you can go to click to download, and like I told you, Shortcut is a free open source cross-platform video editor. So you won't pay for any download, you won't pay for using it. There's no such things like subscriptions to the software. So when you get here, you can decide to get to just download direct, or you can go to downloads. Under downloads, you will see the recommended stable versions. Here they just think that I'm using operating software which is Linux, and they are correct. Actually they are correct. I'm using Linux, but I want to show you how to download it using Microsoft Windows, because most of us use Microsoft Windows. So if you want to download using Microsoft Windows, what you do, you click on Microsoft Windows, and then you will see here they have brought in something they call that is 64-bit Windows 7 Plus. The reason why they have only provided 64-bit is because the software can work very well with 64-bit Windows 7 and above. And the software, that means that they have not included 32-bit Windows. Initially, or before they used to do that, they used to include 32-bit Windows, but things changed. Currently the installation can only work on a 64-bit Windows 7 and above. So here we have site 1, ForceHub, and we have site 2, which is GitHub. The choice is yours. You can decide to install from ForceHub, that is site 1, and you can decide to install it from site 2, which is also GitHub, which is also good to install through. My advice is that you should not go for the portable zip. Don't go for that, and don't go for the portable zip on either side. Just go for the Windows installer. So click on Windows installer. When you click on Windows installer, it will bring you to your local machine, and it will show you it will take you to where maybe you want to download it to. So you can decide to just download it to your desktop, you can decide to have it downloaded to your documents, you can decide to have it downloaded to your downloads, and so on and so forth. So for me, I will choose to download it to my downloads. So when I save this, it will just come down here. It's 79.3 MBs, and then you wait for it to download. So when you download the software into your local machine, just go to the folder, or just go where you saved that document or that application, and open it, and then install it. Just double click on the file, and then the process will just be very smooth. It will ask you, do you want to install this software to your machine? It will, if you say okay, it will definitely be installed into your machine. Just click on it and it runs, and then it installs into your machine. The installation is done. You can search for shortcut, and then you can easily access it through the folder where you saved it. So when you are done with installation, you can go to your Windows icon and click on search engine and search shortcut. When you search for shortcut will appear, and then just click on it, and the interface or the software or the application will open. So like I told you, I'm using Linux. It will not install in Linux, but the process is simple. To download it. There is no big deal. You only do what I have told you. That's it for today. Remember, Dmox Design Creatives is 100% youth empowerment program. Subscribe, get information, learn, become a freelancer.